Welcome, Ganesh Balaji, and I congratulate you for your PMP certification. And so this call is all about how did this journey started, and what challenges you faced it, and how you overcome it. And finally, when you become a PM, when you saw a certified PMP in your hand, how was that experience? Okay. And before that, just say a little about you, introduce yourself and what you do, and then please share your story, how this entire thing moved on. And then anything required, I will ask a question to you. Okay, you can just share your own, no problem. Okay, over to you, Balaji.
Yes, good evening, sir. And so my name is Ganesh Balaji. So about myself, I'm having a 15 years of experience in automotive and non-automotive manufacturing industries. So basically, my profile is with new product development, project management, and recently I moved to project management function as a project manager. So last 1 year I working as a project manager in tool development, software tool development. So it is currently in elevator industry. It's a Vittur elevator components private limited. It's like a European based company. So where I am as a process specialist, where I used to handle projects in system related projects, and also a part of PMO office. So this is about my background.
How did you started your journey, PMP, and what kind of challenges you had, and how did you prepare?
Yeah, being moved to this function, okay, this role. So I last year itself I thought of started preparing for the exam. So that is my 1 to 3 years plan. Last year I thought of starting this journey, but I'm not able to find a right place to start this certification institute. Okay, so I used to discuss with my friends, colleagues, so which institute I can start. So finally, through one of my friend, and he's also my junior in my office. So he completed a certification through Infocareer. So I came to know about Infocareer through that colleague only. So he preferred, and then I approached the institute on I think February, and I started in-person training on from March to April. So that batch I completed. So after that, I started preparing for the chapter wise and as per the scheduler. Then due to a personal reason, I supposed to I pushed to a situation I stopped preparation. So due to the job and also some personal reasons, so 3 months I stopped. So June, July, August I stopped preparation, and again September I started decided to go at one shot, and from September I started preparation and all that thing I started, and also this chapter based exams and all these things I started doing from uh, September. So September and October I put all effort for this completion of this scheduler ch- chapter wise and complete mock-up. Then I'm able to write the exam on November.
Very good, very good. And how was the content? Okay, the training program, the road to project success, IC leave, the kind of materials which we are given in the training. Is it sufficient for you to go for the exam, or anything else you want us to improve?
No, sir. I experienced the content, the questionnaires, and all the videos and the material. So both is sufficient. To be frank, I never referred any other books or material. So only as per your suggestion, I gone through the agile practice guide that is in the last phase of the preparation. But during this 2 3 months during my preparation, I only watched the videos and the content. So that is more than enough. And with some part of my experience, so what I got from my industry and the profession, so that helps to understand this material in a simpler way. But this is even to be frank, even the my job profile is not with project, but the material what provide is self-explanatory, okay, with the examples. And I used to refer the videos and also the material. So with the real case example from different type of industries, so not only manufacturing, from construction, from IT, from all type of industries. So it helps to understand the exam pattern and the content, so what they are expecting as a PM. So that helps a lot.
Very good, very good. How did this entire journey help you in your day-to-day activity, the way which you started working? Do you saw any transformation or any shadows while you are working?
Yes, now I can see I can plan better in my day-to-day activities. See, to be frank, normally I used to procrastinate thing like, okay, we'll do next week. So from the day one when I met in person in the Infocareer center, so you told the same thing. Okay, so uh, normally in the day-to-day life, even in official work or personal, we used to procrastinate. We will not plan properly. So through this journey, I can able to plan my things. Even this session today, I planned last week. Okay, Monday I have to plan. So based on your availability, I have to start. So all these small activities, even it is now office or in personal, so I can plan, I can execute better. So with confidence. So planning needs some commitment. So through that I can execute my day-to-day activities also.
Very good, very good. And what do you want to tell to PMP aspirants, people who want to go for this career?
Yes, this, so we need to choose the right institute. So normally the institute like Infocareer, so they not only, like you people are not only giving this material, exam content, the theoretical part. Also you motivate like how we need to approach not only these exams, all the competitive exams, all the challenges in the professional career. So the point I want to mention is we need to choose a right place to people to mentor us. Okay, so if we go for some other institute, they will focus on the material, so they will explain all the techniques, tools, and all the theoretical part. So this exam and also the helps to the career, not only the content. So it will help to uh, the right place we need to choose. That's what I feel lucky that I chose Info Career.
Thank you, Ma. And when you saw in your hand, okay, before that, the last mile, okay, that 1 week preparation, whatever you did it, okay, daily one exam, then doing it. How was that experience?
So
Last mile
yeah,
preparation.
yes, that was to be frank, little tense. I was little tensed in before going for the exam, and the last 2 days. So what you shared through the audios, so that will ease the pressure. So it will remove the tension. So I can with confidence I can able to attend the exam. So before that 2 3 days before I had a little tension. So I thought of even some postponing also. Like maybe we can postpone this also. But with the last minute, like last before 3 days, you gave some advice and the audio what you provided, it's motivated me. So okay, with the first attempt itself, I can clear. So that confidence with your last week mentoring only I got.
Very good, very good. So when you sat on the exam, okay, so how was that experience when you saw certified in the hand? They said you passed this examination. How was that experience?
I was very happy, sir. Actually, this last month I heard, okay, they are going to release this, means publish the result after 5 days only. So I thought, okay, the pass or fail that they are going to declare after some days only. But after the exam, so they printed this acknowledgement. The acknowledgement itself, I saw, okay, you have successfully passed the examination. So I questioned that organization, that institute representative. He said, I don't know about this. You have to see, you have get mail, I think. So it was somewhat surprise only.
Very good, very good. Thanks, Ganesh. Anything else you want to share with two people?
Uh, no, sir. Yeah, the point is like through not only the content, the preparation. So need some mentoring. So what you did. So that only helps me to write the exam without fear. So that I got from you people, yeah, and
Thank you,
especially from you, sir.
sure. Thank you, Ganesh. And on the behalf of entire team and faculties, we once again congratulate you. I will definitely pass on all your acknowledgement to all the people who are working in the background. And so, from our side, please convey our regards to your family members. Without them, it may not be possible, and they are
Yes,
the
sir. Sure,
backbone
sir.
for you. And please convey our regards to them. Okay. And please be in this community. We'll keep sharing you a lot of knowledges, and
Okay.
don't leave us. Stay there, and then we can keep adding more value for you. And at any given time, if you need any of our support, you can just ping me, and then you can get support.
Okay.
Any kind of a support, if you feel that we can add a value, please don't hesitate to call us. Okay.
Sure, 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 sure.
Thank you, Ganesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.